Well, here we go with about 2 hours worth of work on CAD, with about another hour of YouTube, maybe a bit more. It's been a while since I've used Fusion, so everyone on YouTube, I do have a manufacturing background, and here's a really basic plastic extrusion mold. The plastic will go in through the hole here, go around this center mandrel, and then get squirted out into a big square-shaped bar. It could be a possum mold too. Yeah. And that's the fill hole. Let's see. There's the center mandrel thing. I not looked into what it takes to make one of these, so this is absolutely horrendous, I'm sure, but hey, it's something. Alright, have fun, world of YouTube. Thank you. Good night.